You want milk? Ask them. You want milk? Ask them. She doesn't want. She doesn't want to give her milk. Do you have tomatoes, Adasa? Where? Wow. We have fresh tomatoes.
Look, big tomatoes, more tomatoes.
Where's the green beans? Can you please show them where's the green beans? Let's try to find it. Ayan, bebe, oh. Hindi siya, ewan kung bakit nagkaroon siya ng ganyan. So, nilagyan ni Habi ng insecticide. Tapos ito, onion. Malaki na siya, yung mga onion. Bell pepper. Ay, hindi, sili pala. Hayu, dalaga na si Hadasa. Yung kapatid na bunso, ginaya siya. Gusto rin ng jacket. Magliligpit ako at nakaayos si Hadasa kasi mag-grocery sila. Yung sing-sing mo, oh. Hayu, say hi. Ngayon ka lang nagpakita ulit, oh. Tapos, nung nakaraan yung video, medyo maliit pa sila. Noon, mahaba na yung buhok niya, be. Tignan mo. Dito ka, you stand up here so that it's not, Yan. Dito. Ito liligpit ko. Di ba ang gulo? Maglilinis tayo ng sahig. Ayan siya. Mahaba na yung buhok niya. Can I see? Ayan, haba na. Para siya simulan. Sasama ka ngayon. Are you going to the grocery store today? See? Sinira nila to, be. Lago tayo sa may-ari ng bahay na to. Paglipat. Lilipat na tayo ng January. Malapit-lapit na. Ayan. Hi, Hana. Si Hana, walang jacket kanina. Gumaya sa ate. Please wave. Please wave to them. Say hi. Say hi, please. Hi. Ang bilis ng panahon, ang laki na niya. Medyo malamig na dito kaya medyo may jacket na kami at medyo sila. Hi, Hannah. What? What's your name? What's your name? Huh? What's your name? Can you please face here? Hannah, what's your name? What's your name? Hannah. Where's Ate Hadasa? Where? Oh, she's Ate Hadasa? Oh. Hi, Hadasa. Hi, Hannah. What are you doing? What's your name? What's your name? What's your name? Store? Huh? What are you going to buy? Fruits? What do you want to buy? What fruit?
Corn.
What?
Corn.
Nah, fruit. Corn is not a fruit. You want to buy corn? What's your favorite food?
Chicken.
Oh, chicken.
Chicken.
What else?
Chicken.
Sinigang. You love sinigang? You love palabok? I love palabok. You also love palabok, the one where we put lemon or calamansi. You like it? Especially sinigang, you like it?
A B C D G H I J K A B C D A B A B C D E F G H I J K L M P Q R S T U V W X.
Are you dancing, Hannah? Please.
Now I know what ABC. Next time when you sing with me,
Lolo sniff, Hannah. Again. Lolo sniff. Sniff.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye. Wave, Hannah. Again. Wave. Bye. Wave, please. Thank you. Bye, Hadassah. See you later.
Hey,
Hannah.
hello.
I'm
Hey,
Hannah.
hello.
I'm
Hey,
now
no,
talking.
second.
You're funny. You're funny. I'm now
No,
talking.
second.
Good job, Hannah. Thank you, Hannah. Say bye to them. Bye, friend.
Bye.
See you soon.
Cheers.
We love you. Kiss. Mwah. Say thank you.
Go.
Jalapeno nila. Mga sili. Buhay na sila. Medyo malaki na sila. So, July ngayon. Hindi pa tayo nakaka-edit kasi ang dami. Hagarda tayo mga bes. Madami pa talaga tayong ginagawa. Ayan. Ito, ang napakabango nito. Ang sarap nito sa pasta. Yung mga seafood pasta. Tapos ito yung basil. Ito yung parsley. Very healthy. Topping siya. Tapos ito yata carrots yata ito. So, buhay na sila. Ito yung lettuce. Ano na siya? Medyo matigas na kasi yan eh. So, sa spring lang yan. Bandang March, April yata. Ay, tama ba? Ay, oo. Yan yung green beans. Marami na rin nakuha dyan. Green beans din yata ito. May sitaw dito. Ito yata yung sitaw eh. Hindi ko sure kung saan dito yung sitaw. Kasi, yan okra yata yan. Or zucchini. Hindi ko sure. Ito ang okra na malaki na. So, nakakuha na siya rito mga be. Ayan. Mga friends. Halo-halo na ako. My best at saka my friends. So, ayan. Okra din yata ito. Pero itong okra na to. Maganda kasi sa okra. Palagi yan tutubo. Hanggang bago mag-November. Kasi sa November lalamig na ulit dito. So, mamamatay na ulit tong lahat ng halaman na to. So, ano din siya. Okay din siya kasi imbes na bilhin pa sa grocery stores. Kasi dito kasi, minsan tigwa $1, 50 pa lang yun. Basta mga items dito, $1, $2, ganun siya. Umabot ng $3. So, ito, bibilhin mo pa, nandiyan na, pipitasin mo na lang. So, masaya. Ito, ang sarap nito sa miss ko na yung arroz caldo. Pero, hindi na nga ako nagra-rice. Minsan lang. Siyempre, nagra-rice pa rin. Paminsan. Pero, nag-arroz caldo ako yung, recipe ng ating kapatid na friend na si Heart on Fire. Heart on Fire. Lalagay natin dyan kasi hindi ko memorize yung number ng name niya, Heart on Fire. So, ayan, meron siyang oatmeal na arroz caldo or lugaw. So, ayan. Ito na ang ating garden ngayon. July ko siya na-record. July ngayon? 13. Pero baka maipost ko ito ng first week ng September kapag katapos kong magbakasyon sa Pilipinas or mga mga friends. Ayan na ang ating mga halaman na medyo lumaki na sila. So gabing-gabi na dito yung kapitbahay ay tulog na sila. Ayan may swing dito, ginawan si Hadassah ni papa niya. Pwede rin ako mag-swing dyan kasi para siya sa pang mabigat. Mabigat na. Yan. Pero si Hadassah, ako kasama niya ako. So, ito pa na. Fireflies. Sabi niya may fireflies na. What was that?
That way. There's several over there. Just wait a few seconds, you see the green lights. There's one by the bird feeder. And there's a spider hanging down right there, so be careful for him. Film that spider.
Where? Ayan. Ay, gagamba. Nakita niya yung gagamba. Ayan, niligpit pa namin yan mga be kasi sobrang busy niya sa pagtatanim niya. Hindi pa namin yan naayos. Ayusin pa natin yan. Saan yung gagamba? That's scary. It's going to bite?
No, there are only 2 venomous spiders in Missouri, the brown recluse and the black widow, and that is neither. I've been bit by both, and I got rabies. Not from a spider.
This one, what is it?
This is a vine, and I rolled chicken wire there for it to climb.
It has
If you go on this side,
flowers.
you'll see the light pink flowers. On the other side,
Purple?
it's like pink, purpley. Plenty of
Ganda,
morning
oh.
glory, but it didn't really come up so well. There's some morning glory in there, but whatever it was that I got, it's done well in its
Ito pa yung
place.
iba niyang ano. Hindi namin binuksan yung ilaw. Kasi nga, nagmamadali lang ako. Nag-swing lang si Hadasa. So, ito yung iba niyang halaman. Saan ba? Ito. Ay, hindi makikita eh.
Can you just walk through where that spider web was?
See you soon. We love you. Kiss, mwah. Say thank you.
Go.
Thank you, friends. Friends. You want milk? Ask them. You want milk? Ask them. She doesn't want. She doesn't want to give her milk.